Always be alert. Always stay alert. Once upon a time there was a lion that grew so old that he was unable to kill any prey for his food. So he said to himself, I must do something to stay my stomach else I will die of starvation. He kept thinking and thinking and at last an idea clicked him. He decided to lie down in the cave, pretending to be ill, and then whosoever will come to inquire about his health will become his prey. The old lion put his wicked plan into practice, and it started working. Many of his well-wishers got killed, but evil is short-lived. The lion replied, I am not feeling well at all, but why don't you come inside? Then the fox replied, I would love to come in, sir, but on seeing our footprints going to your cave and more come out, I would be foolish enough to come in. Saying so, the fox went to alert the other animals. Moral of the story. Always keep your eyes open and stay alert before walking in any situation.